Cars. It's the one thing dads love more than you. And I love cars. Wait, so you're a dad? So one of the things you gotta learn as an engineer is of course 3D modeling jigs and mechanical parts. And since I'm an aspiring engineer and every other job sucks, and I'm not a fan of any other fields of work, I got my dad to teach me how to do 3D modeling on this software in December 2019. First, I started drawing stuff like V4 piston engines and Beyblade launchers, and then I realized I could design a freaking car, which looked like trash at first, of course. Although, taking into consideration that I whip out these designs in like 3 hours, I'd say they're pretty doable. So kudos to my dad for mentoring me. Now go wash your car, cause I'll be talking about my Lego X-Wing. And yes, I know there's an actual set, but while y'all got that for $115.30, I built mine in like 2 days with spare parts. So now I have an X-Wing. By the way, in case you're wondering, I didn't copy the X-Wing instruction booklet because that's literally cheating. Alright, next. Overall, I'd say Legos are pretty harmless unless you've A. stepped on them, B. swallowed them, or C. got shot in the face by a Lego gun. So yeah, I made a gun. Now, by the time I thought of constructing a gun, I had used up almost 85% of my Technique parts in the tripod stand, the Senna, and my Beyblade launcher. So this build took me like a whole month to complete. Which also explains why it's so unfinished. Started with the trigger, then a failed model, then a crossbow, which took forever to load. A single shot gun. And now, this thing fires 5 rounds. The Lego McLaren Senna. Originally, this thing only had a fake V8 and a simple steering, so I attached a working steering wheel mechanism, switched the fixed wing for an active aero, added pullback motors and some suspensions, and that's how I ran out of parts. Honorable mentions include tripod stand, foldable, rotates and supports landscape and portrait setups, generic robot with a dude inside, and a transformer of some sort. I want to talk about my AT-AT, but for now it kinda looks like a dog, so I'll have to work on the design a bit. And yeah, that's it for now. I'll be talking about another invention related to firefighters next, so stay tuned.